Workers' compensation laws are also relevant to us. The employer is responsible for ensuring that before employees operate equipment or interact with the public, they have the minimum qualifications required by the job. If an accident or discrimination occurs without the proper qualifications, for example, the company could be liable for damages. Also, most states have enacted laws that require companies to compensate employees who are injured on the job, and this includes during training. Companies may have to pay trainees salaries or agree on a settlement. They may also be liable for non-training accidents that occur because employees were not properly trained, a fault known as negligent training. Not only does poor training waste resources and have little to no impact on learning, it can also lead to litigation.